Hi, good morning to you, Carl. What a week that we've had, right? So we had the first rate cut in 11 years. We're 3/4 of the way through earnings, jobs report today, and a fourth round of tariffs coming September 1st. Surprise, that's sort of how the market felt, right? So we had this late day U.S. sell-off. It rippled around the world. Germany, France, the Hang Seng Nikkei. I mean, look at these drops here. More than 2% in some cases, 2.5% for Germany right now. Take a look at the opening action. You mentioned it, Carl. We are a bit lower, under pressure here right now, still sort of going through that shock of yesterday with that tariff news. We have the Dow Industrial is down by about 0.5%, S&P 500 there as well. NASDAQ seeing the bigger losses at this point by 0.8%. Let's take a look at the S&P future. So you actually can see some movement here with this initial drop, which was likely on that slight uptick in the wage inflation in that jobs report. Though then we kind of made up the ground, that we had this brief turnaround when Kayla Tausche reported that President Trump is leaving the door open for discussions with China that could delay or change that tariff plan. But then the markets kind of realized, wait a minute, I think we already knew this, or that's what we thought, so this is nothing new. And then we moved again. Now let's take a quick look at some of the trade sensitive sectors. Heavyweight industrials like Boeing and Caterpillar, those are weaker, as you might expect, along with the semis and large cap Chinese tech names like Alibaba, down about 1.4% here further right now. Tech and consumer discretionary, those are groups that have led the gains so far this year, but then those two groups could end up bearing the brunt of all this tariff pain. So traders rather say that this could hurt the growth story. You can see this here, the divergence, and we may be reversing that so far when we've seen the value and the growth split here. Take a look at Best Buy, one of Thursday's biggest losers on the tariff news. RH as well, selling off even after the company said tariffs wouldn't have that big of an impact. So baby out with the bathwater.